Nature, the cradle for all living things. But man, with his superior intelligence, distorted nature's laws. And is now paying the price, in the form of the New Age ailment called stress. Moving away from nature has resulted in something called stress. Stress has become one of the issues of modern-day life. The effects can be devastating. The father of medicine, Hippocrates, once said, "Nature cures, not the physician." In other words, there is a cure for stress. It's called naturopathy, or nature cure. It is a complete revolution in the art and science of living. The nature cure physician helps in nature's efforts to overcome disease by applying correct natural modalities and controlling the natural forces to work within safe limits. Air bath, sunbath, massage, and exercise are the other useful methods of curing diseases. Thus, a well-balanced diet, sufficient physical exercise, the observation of the other laws of well-being, such as fresh air, plenty of sunlight, pure drinking water, scrupulous cleanliness, adequate rest, and right mental attitude can ensure proper health and prevent disease. But where does one find a place where all these things can be organized and coordinated? Obviously, in India, or more specifically, in Bidada, near Bhuj, in Gujarat state, India. At the Ratan Veer Nature Cure Institute and Research Center, the response to a vital need. Modern medical science has not been able to eliminate diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, etc., even in the most high-technology countries like the USA. The lack of the natural way of living is likely the cause. For peace and tranquility, amid nature's bounty, for health and wellness of body and soul, Ratan Veer is a destination for a vacation of a lifetime. And thankfully, one that you can repeat again and again. Located in a rare green belt, it is a 5-acre site of rich, verdant beauty, in sharp contrast to the arid soil one drives through en route to the spa. As for the center, it is an ultimate architectural dream. It is planned for every modern comfort, even as it retains a sense of ethnic simplicity and minimalist charm. Creating a setting and atmosphere that calms the senses and uplifts one's spirits. A welcome break from the noise and unnecessary materialism of modern city life. Here, you will be surrounded by nature in her wardrobe of green, shade trees, cherry flowers, lush lawns, and gurgling fountains surround the complex.
We have realized our dream by building Ratan Veer Nature Cure Institution. The purpose of our institution is to prevent and cure all types of ailments and rejuvenate the health. The center offers various facilities in terms of naturopathy, Kerala Ayurvedic, acupressure, acupuncture, magnetotherapy, ozone therapy, and we also have yogic practices. We have a modern health club and a gymnasium offering various fitness options. Our center is located amidst pollution-free, peaceful environment in lush green surroundings. We also are well connected by road, rail and air transport. We want to reach out all sections of society and create an awareness in India as well as abroad to come and experience the healthy lifestyle in our center.
Ratan Veer offers a holistic approach, with something for everyone. The best of Ayurveda's time-tested procedures and prescriptions. The benefits of yoga and meditation and their proven effects on body and soul. Or simply pampering, relaxing therapies and stimulating massages to regain vigor and vitality while looking and feeling years younger. The Ratan Veer Nature Cure Institute offers various therapies, successfully employing the healing powers of Mother Nature. Massage is one of the oldest, simplest forms of therapy with the potential to restore the individual physically, mentally, and spiritually. Some of the massage therapies on offer include Swedish massage, Kerala Ayurvedic massage, and aroma massage. The Institute offers the most relaxing treatments in Kerala Ayurveda. Shirodhara relaxes even the most stressed out patient. Nasyam for the respiratory tract. Karivasti for the lower back. Gibhi for overall muscle tone. Massage tones up the nervous system and quickens blood circulation and the metabolic process. Sauna and steam baths are similar in effect. Both are deeply relaxing and a great way to melt away stress. Drawing on the Earth's curative powers to prevent, treat, and cure disease, mud therapy is an ancient prescription of naturopathy. It has proven medical and cosmetic applications. Mud therapy is administered with mud packs and mud baths. Another important factor in the nature cure treatment of diseases is to stimulate the vitality of the body. This can be achieved by using water in various ways and at varying temperatures in the form of packs or baths. Hydrotherapy is a general term for a group of alternative treatments that use water for relieving various diseases or injuries or cleaning the digestive tract. These treatments include hip bath, hot and cold fomentation, wraps and compresses, hot foot bath, spinal bath, full tub bath, and many more. The well-equipped health club and gym at the Institute encourages inmates to shape their bodies and build up the stamina for a strenuous lifestyle. Another therapeutic system is yogic therapy. Yogasana or yoga exercises, pranayam or proper breathing technique, and relaxation rejuvenate jaded souls, minds, and bodies. Exercise, especially yogic asanas, promote inner health and harmony, and helps eliminate all tension, physical, mental, and emotional.
The aim of establishing the center is to promote health. Health is an entity which is the equilibrium of mind and body. Mind and body has to be recuperated by means of detoxifying the blood. To detoxify the blood, in this center there are many more treatments like oil massage, Shirodhara, Ayurveda massage, steam, sauna, and so on. These measures helps to detoxify the body by eliminating the toxins from the system. Then only it is possible for the body to relax. It is rightly said, the goal of the life is to have useful body, peaceful mind, and a useful life. To fulfill the achievement of our life, we need good health, and it is possible only by rejuvenating and recuperating the body and mind. And the rejuvenation and recuperation is possible when we give a chance to the body to heal itself. For this, the center is helpful to rejuvenate the system and detoxify the blood.
Another important feature is the complete avoidance of processed drugs. The Ratan Veer drugless therapy model utilizes magnet therapy, acupuncture, and acupressure. Regulation of diet is the first and foremost step to cure diseases. Now widely accepted as a vital aspect of alternative and holistic medicine, diet therapy is an effective way to achieve and maintain optimal health and fitness. Some of the therapies offered are the raw diet, the juice diet, and fasting. The Institute also offers ozone therapy for rejuvenation. The Ratan Veer Nature Cure Institute and Research Center is part of the Shri K.M. Patel Arogyadham and is managed by the Shri Bidada Sarvodaya Trust, a non-profit charitable organization. For over 3 decades, the Trust has dedicated itself to the service of the needy and the sick, and of those hit by calamity and disease. The Ratan Veer Nature Cure Institute and Research Center will help people from all over the world to rediscover the benefits of India's traditional and alternative systems of medicine to rejuvenate mind and body. Various plans and packages are available, as well as group reservations. The Institute has 4 suites, 8 first-class double rooms, 16 second-class double rooms, and 12 super-class 4-bedrooms, with all the modern amenities, including modern communication facilities, internet, fax, and mobile telephony. The Institute is located at Bidada on the Mandvi Mundra National Highway, number 8, 50 kilometers away from Bhuj. Bhuj is connected by rail to Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, and Bangalore, with 2 trains daily from Mumbai to Bhuj. Kingfisher Airlines and Jet Airways operate flights from Mumbai to Bhuj. Several heritage and tourist spots are within easy distance from Bidada. The area in which the Institute is located, called Kutch, offers spectacular landscapes. With its colorful people, historic towns, and remarkable handicrafts, Kutch has much of interest to offer visitors. Ratan Veer assures you a lifetime experience that you can take away even after staying here, because the practices that you learn here becomes part of your lifestyle. We welcome you to discover a new beginning inside your own self, a happy, relaxed, stress-free, new you. Shri K.M. Patel Arogyadham, Village, Bidada, Taluka, Mandvi, Kutch, Gujarat, India, 370435. Telephone 02834 44444. Fax 02834 44466. Email bidadahospital@hotmail.com, or visit us at the website www.bidada.com.